Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're talking about how to get free Nitro for a month. You can get 1 month of free Discord Nitro through various promotions. Streamlabs users can claim a free month by logging into their account and redeeming the offer from their dashboard. Duolingo users in the US may also qualify by completing lessons and redeeming the offer within the app. Most of these promotions require that you haven't subscribed to Nitro or used the trial recently, and some may ask for payment details. Always use official sources to claim these offers and avoid scams. You need to subscribe to the Nitro option. It'll open the Discord website, make sure to log in. It offers a plan that starts at $2.99 per month. Nitro Basic costs $2.99 and Nitro costs $9.99. Next, click on Gift Nitro shown at the top. You can choose the Nitro plan by paying a one-time charge of $9.99. After that, click on the Select button and select the payment method. Lastly, enter the card number, expiration date, CVC, and name of the card. That's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed it, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe.